We're live. Come on, guys.
You're throwing me off.
Why?
Let's cut this open.
Hey.
No, say who we are and all this.
Hey,
I mean,
everyone.
come on.
I'm Kristen. We got Karina. We got Nick. We got our camera gal Liz behind the scenes. We got a load for you. So we are here at Bits and Pieces Quilt Shop, 70 Bridge Street, Pelham, New Hampshire. We are 30 miles north of Boston.
30 miles south of Manchester.
I missed you this morning.
Sorry.
And you know what? What's that with the car? The pallet's bigger than the car. I can't get everybody squished in a little
Anybody
bit.
know what this is? Where this is from?
I don't even think anybody's watching. I can't even tell. I need my sunglasses on today.
You have your sunglasses on.
I know.
I need mine. It's so beautiful out. I'm gonna get a sunburn for the first time. I'm so pale.
We could take.
I know. How many days of rain have we had?
Oh, how many weekends of rain?
I call those cuddle minky days. Because
Yeah.
those are days you want to cuddle up with your cuddle, right?
Absolutely.
Brandon, get in the picture.
Sorry.
You're not there. I don't know how much smaller I can make
All right,
it. You're
there,
still
we
not in
can
it.
do that.
I can
So,
back up. There we go.
Anyone on? Anyone watching?
Like one person.
Anyone?
That's right. Don't watch it later.
Okay.
No cheating.
So it's a box.
It's a
It
box.
is a box.
Oh, it doesn't say.
Yes, it
It
does.
does.
All over the place. See these
It's
little guys?
strategic little places.
Strategic.
On this side of the box, it does. Up here.
Right
here.
here. But
And
they
all
can't
these
see
little
that
guys.
because I can't see that. I told you it's too sunny.
What
So
do we got?
it's too sunny.
It's a pallet bigger than the car.
Anybody watching want to guess what's in it?
Hint, we haven't done a video with this in a while.
And it's kind of warm for it. I have to say.
Oh, it's never too warm.
Never too warm.
Never too warm. Turn your air conditioning on
have
and
one.
snuggle up with Cuddle, right?
Finest fabric in the world.
And since it bounces when it's dropped, ready? There we go. Okay, let's open this sucker up and let's see what's in it. Anybody want to guess? It is Cuddle by Shannon Fabrics. We just love our Cuddle.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
What is here today?
I don't know.
So, as you said though, Liz.
Oh, this is the boring box. Oh no.
The pillows are here. The
The
pillows,
pillows are here.
Thank goodness, the pillows are here.
And a bolt of black.
We have had
Secret
banana
black.
for I feel like ever. Yeah.
Yeah, it's been
No, we
out for a
haven't.
while.
Okay, there's
It's
black.
like the first to go.
It is. It's always the first to go. Because people buy it by the bolt. Did you know you can buy Cuddle by the bolt from us? Just call us. So, that's how that goes.
So, as you said earlier, if there's anything that's a new item that we haven't sold before, we need at least a couple days for you to be able to buy it online. But if you really need it, call the store.
Yeah.
And we'll get it out. We'll get it squared away for
We'll get
you.
it squared away. The boss, the receiver is off for a couple days this week. The boss is going to try to get it all in. But the boss is overworked,
As usual.
as usual.
Oh boy.
Oh, what's in here?
Oh, this is exciting.
Ooh,
Yeah, these are
pretty.
Oh, pretty cuddle.
Pretty colors.
90 wide. Look at
Yeah,
that color.
that can go right into that room. I'll get your barcodes
Slide
for
this
them.
over.
Ooh, look at
Yeah.
that's teal.
That's teal. Yeah, and royal blue and probably ink in there.
Yep.
Okay. Back over here.
Excellent. All right.
Got another one going.
And we cheated. See, in the doorway, we have some Cuddle that just came in. Nick's blocking it now. Some more Cuddle over there. I'll walk
There it
over
is.
there.
Those
We
are
can
some
take a look. Some
cute
cute prints. Let me get over there and show you.
Those made it out
Look
of the
at that.
box early.
Yeah, this got out of the box early.
Oh my god.
Cherries.
Oh
Huh?
my god.
Look at one on the
Oh,
Oh,
my
look. Oh, I think you and I picked that, didn't we?
We
Oh,
did.
it's upside down. Turn it
Oh,
around.
sorry.
Oh, my God, that's so cute. We got to make a blanket. We just got to make
Oh
something.
my god.
Isn't that so cute? Ready?
So stinking cute. Look at he's riding a unicorn. And oh, this one he's riding a shark. I'm gonna buy this right now.
Okay, you buy that right now. Save
Okay.
some for the customers.
I don't know.
Oh,
Better
look at
act
this.
quick.
Carnival, red, white, and blue. Isn't that nice? Oh, I think I got this
That's
for
the
me.
cherries.
I love cherries.
Ooh, this one's cool.
Oh, yeah,
Get
fireworks.
ready for the 4th of July.
This is nice.
Ooh, look at that. If you're into
I think
the
you
Southwestern
wanted
thing,
me to get that one
Southwest.
to go with your Southwest stuff. Look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Ooh,
That's
okay.
pretty. Okay, we'll put these on top of
The other ones.
the 90s.
Look at all these boxes. Should we keep going, people? They'll watch it later tonight anyway,
Yep.
while they're home. Oh, Nick's going to do the bottom box.
Oh, we're gonna have an
Dum 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 dum
Yes.
dum. Maybe. Depends.
We might.
Yep.
We might.
Wouldn't be the first
It's
time.
not too bad. Go ahead.
Oh, there's one hole in that one anyway.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yes,
Better not.
small
Oh, look
boy.
at this.
Oh, there's the
Oh.
yellow I needed for my order.
We got
Oh,
strawberries.
sweet.
Look at how pretty they are.
Oh, yeah. Not neat.
The puppy
I
dogs.
love
See, I
that.
don't think they can see that because of the sun.
That's pretty.
And then there's the dogs.
There's all the puppies.
Oh, be careful.
Do you
Oh,
know where the
it's-
puppies are?
I'm stocking up on the scarves now.
And the yellow sunshine.
Yeah,
3
yellow
yards.
sunshine. Look at that.
So pretty.
Okay.
Some scarf
Yep.
kits.
Because you want to make those Christmas presents. Christmas in July, right?
Gotta get it
Okay.
done.
We got next. Let me walk over this way. Good thing nobody's parked in the parking lot today. Better than last time it was raining. Ooh.
What do we got? Oh, pretty. We got pink ribbons.
The little girls.
Look at the check.
Oh, so cute. Then we got black ribbons for the little bigger girls. Oh,
the
I like
prom.
the check. It's kind of a wavy check.
Ooh, race car check.
Race car check.
And soccer. Oh,
Oh,
how's it make that
soccer,
for Ducky?
basketball, football.
Ducky will say, Grandma, just
Sports.
chop me off a piece. Number one sports.
That's
Okay.
all the sports. Oh,
Yeah, all the sports in one.
Excellent. Whoa.
Whoa.
I think that's a 90 wide.
I think so too. How did you know that?
Yep.
Yep.
Because the size of the box. There we go.
Brandon's getting her
What's
workout
in
today.
this box?
Look at those
Oh,
colors.
boy. Pretty green.
Oh, that's Merlot. That sold out like in a couple days. We got it last time,
Yep.
right? And the green.
And that 90 wide.
What's in this box? Nick likes to open them upside down.
It's all right. Keeps you guessing.
Yep.
Those are cute. What do you got?
See, so those were 90. Oh, you can't see it.
So we got more Merlot.
Yeah. That looks like teal.
Yep. Teal.
Royal.
Midnight
Midnight.
blue.
Oh, midnight blue.
Ink.
Ink.
And this one is, yep, is teal. And this is definitely.
Cindy says, loves it. Cheryl, that's the best palette of softness. It is.
It is.
It is. The softness palette. Good thing we came to work early today because the driver was here at, what, 9 something?
Something
9
like that.
something.
You want to do this one?
Yeah. Whew. That doesn't feel very heavy, does it?
I just made it look strong. Like, made it look
Strong like bull.
strong like bull.
These are
Yeah.
almost what they look.
Right.
Not always as they appear. Ooh, this
Ooh.
is some prints I see.
More prints.
What do we got?
You know, I think, unless it's in the bottom couple boxes, we're
Ooh.
missing a palette. Ooh,
Wow.
look at this. Oh, you
This
wanted
is
that. So we got
cool.
Van Gogh. Can you guys see this? Because I sure can't.
That's the Van
That's
Gogh.
Van Gogh.
What's this
Starry
one?
Night.
Oh, this has got all campers.
Campers.
It's upside down, but you kind of get the idea of it.
Yeah.
So cute. I like
Have
that.
to make
You
a
get
camping
canoe
quilt.
and your fire. All right. What else we got?
Spaceships.
Oh, we got spaceships and planets.
Yep.
There we go. Oh.
Oh, remember this one?
Ooh. It's like Jurassic Park.
Oh, that's
only,
That's what it's called.
only without
Jurassic.
getting eaten by a giant dinosaur.
Look at that
So
one,
neat.
huh? Yeah.
That's cool. He's got big teeth.
And then the barbecue when you wanted that one.
Yeah.
That's
Isn't that
cool.
Yeah,
Love
barbecue.
it. When your barbecue
What
gets
about
a
making
little
a
chilly
barbecue
at night.
apron with that? No, I don't think
Get
so.
hot.
Be a little sweaty over there.
That's right. You can make a barbecue quilt and put that on the back.
That's
yeah.
so fun.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Whoops, sorry.
And there we go. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, next
Try
one.
to get it right on top of there. It's slight. That one's good.
Is this cotton or cuddle? D, it's cuddle.
It's cuddle.
It's all cuddle. We got another load of cuddle.
Gotta get your cuddle on.
Got to get your cuddle on. And our next month's shipment is going to be the quilting cuddle. Stay tuned for that. We highlighted that when we were away at the show and bought it.
We got
some kits. I think these are all reorder kits. So we'll show them to you again. All right.
Yay, what do we got?
Oh, yeah.
That's a cutie one.
Isn't that a cutie one? The animals.
Oh,
And-
that's pretty. I think I have an order for that.
You may.
I might.
Low on kits. Oh, dear. What's that one?
So cute.
Oh, yeah. This one.
Is this the princess one?
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
It's a
With the
splash.
butterflies and rainbows and
the jungle one.
Jungle.
Yeah. Oh, that one's cute too. I love that one.
I don't know if that's the one I need or if the one I'll get it.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hold on, let me pull it down. Throw another guy on top. Now we have those.
It's like a cuddle lunch.
It is Cuddle Land. I think this is only. Well, let's see what's in this one.
Some kits. And
Ooh, it's a little mishmash.
It's a mishmash. stuff.
This is
Ooh,
cool.
2 blacks. Oh, look at that one, huh?
Anything? Oh, we got tags.
Yeah, we got tags.
Tags
We were on
are
the
back in
tags.
stock.
Yeah. Tags.
Look at how pretty the flowers, but this is cool.
Yeah, Americana.
That's fun. I like that.
and
Oh,
yeah.
is this the buffalo?
Yes, Kristen
This
had
was
me by the
so
buffalo so we could pretend we
cool.
were in Utah.
That's right, because we didn't go to Utah, so we had to bring Utah to
To
Pelham.
New Hampshire. Yep.
There we
are
go.
they buffalo or bison?
They're bison.
They're bison.
Sorry, they are bison.
They're bison.
It says it on the bolt. So
How many of you eat bison?
My
don't.
husband does.
We're making it
Nick
for
likes
dinner
bison
tonight.
too.
But
Are
as soon
you?
as he
Yeah,
started
we're making
eating
bison
it,
tips.
Oh, bison
This
tips.
price
Okay.
went
Steak
through
and
the
bison
roof.
tips.
And last but not least, the last box. And if what I'm waiting for isn't in this box, then we're getting another pallet tomorrow.
Okay. I'm gonna lay it down.
Yeah. Have to lay it down the other way. Nope.
Oh,
Okay, so we're getting another load tomorrow. Because
What color is
from
that?
what because I got
Is that
something
black or blue?
shipped on 610 and 611.
Ooh,
Because we're
boy.
waiting for the animal kits. And there, did you see animal kits?
No.
No. So we're
I
getting
didn't see
more
those.
cuddle tomorrow. So stay tuned for a second video.
all right.
So look at all
Look at
these.
that.
Yeah.
Pretty blues.
Is that
and
another
pinks.
black?
Is it? So I was just
It might
saying,
be. Okay.
hard to tell in the plastic.
So
but-
thank you for enjoying and indulging us in our cuddle. And if you want to purchase anything, give us a call. Check the website.
most of this stuff should. Well, there's a couple of new things.
There's
so.
some new things. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. What do you say,
right.
guys?
See you later.
Bye.